Hey, my name is Tomasz. We are here in Eger in front of the Eger Castle where the istvan defeated the Ottoman Empire back in 1552. But I will tell you more information about this tomorrow because tonight we are going to a wine tasting dinner. We arrived to the winery, so let's explore the place. We looked around in the factory. Two most famous wines here in this region. The first is the egri bikaver, which is the red one, and the egri csillag, which means egri star, is the white one. The sun rised 3 hours ago, which means it's morning, so let's continue the exploring. I am here in the castle. I have to say that at the entry I was very surprised because I had to pay for the ticket. Earlier in my life it was free. Here in the castle I want to tell you a story behind it. So back in 1552, Dobo Istvan and his army, 2 or 3,000 people from Eger, won against the Ottoman Empire. The Ottoman Empire had 30 or 40,000 people attacking this castle here in Hungary, but the Hungarians won and the Turkish went home. So this is one of the biggest and most iconic win in the Hungarian history. The full story was written down by gardonyi geza back in the 20th century. Came into the museum of the castle. Here are paints and more information. Let's look around. I think to the most interesting place in this castle, the prison museum. Under our apartment there is a restaurant with Michelin star since 2022, so now we are going to try their food. This is duck. Very tasty. We visit a chocolate and candy factory. We are here at the Stuhmer factory. Let's look around. Pictures on the wall represent the Stuhmer's history. Back of me you can see the dobo statue. It's on the main square in the town. Eger has very long walking streets with good bars and restaurants. It was this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.